Everybody's talking World Cup, but do you know which teams are already going? From hosts to historic first-timers, let's see who's in for 2026. Ready? Let's go. First up, the hosts get an automatic pass, and for the first time ever, it's a triple host party. United States, Canada, and Mexico are all in, making history together. Now let's check out who's qualified the hard way, on the field. Over in Asia, Japan was the first non-host to punch their ticket, followed by Iran, Australia, South Korea, and, making their World Cup debut, Uzbekistan and Jordan are all in too. That's 6 Asian teams already set. Switching to Oceania, New Zealand clinched their spot early, dominating their region. Down in South America, Argentina secured their place. No surprise there. Brazil made it in with a big win, and Ecuador locked up their spot too. Quick recap. That's 13 teams so far. The USA, Canada, and Mexico as hosts. Then Japan, Iran, Uzbekistan, South Korea, Jordan, and Australia from Asia, New Zealand from Oceania, and Argentina, Brazil, and Ecuador from South America. With 35 spots still up for grabs, the action is just heating up. Europe, Africa, and playoffs are coming soon. Which team are you cheering for? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for your World Cup 2026 fix. See you next time.